Hi all of you, back with another video. So in this video I'm going to show you some more commands related to your that user management. Alright, issue2-user to log in. As you all know, now you can see that I am successfully logged in. Let me change first the setting. Alright, so for today I think you want to close session now. I think for today the color should be, I think, yellow is good. So for today yellow is the color for my font. Now it's time to log in as root user sudo -i, as you all know. Now it's time to clear screen. Let me see what is there in my machine. Let me remove all this stuff. Alright, rm-rf star. Alright, I have to give space here. Now as you all can see, there is nothing. So now let me show you what is today's command. What are today's commands? So you can see here group add, group mod, and these are your commands. Alright, so let me try. Alright, let me first create a user. Let me, or I think I have two users. Alright, yeah, there is ec2 user and there is user one as well. Alright, so there is no need to create a user. So now it's time to run our first command, which is group add to create group. Let me show you what is the path of group. As you all know, cat what is the path? etc group. Alright, now you can see that these are your groups. Alright, so let me create one group. Alright, let me create a group. So the command is your group add. Here I am, group add, name of group. Alright, name of group and group add, and name of group is your, let me write admin, or let me write Devops. Alright, Devops. Now you can see that there is no error occurred. It means your group is created successfully. Now it's time to check. Let me run a command, tail-1. As you all know, what is this? Alright, as I already showed you this command in my basic command video. So now tail is, alright, I have written here password, but instead of password, because I have created a group, so it won't be shown in your password directory, it will show in your group. Now you can see that DevOps group is created, and your access, you know, this is your password. 101 is your group ID, which is your GID. Alright, let me clear the screen. Alright, so now it's time to move ahead. User mod to add user in a particular group. Alright, as you can see that there is no user added. Let me first see the command. What is the command? User mod -g. Alright, if you want to add, let me create a user first. Alright, let me create a user add. I think this is command, user add. Let me create a user, name as Vasu. Alright, let me create another user as Vasu66. Alright, so now as you all can see, I have created two users. Alright, so now it's time to add in this group. What is command? Group. Let me see again the command. What is command for that? User mod -G, uppercase G, and now you have to write your username. Like I am writing here, Vasu66 is your user. Alright, why this is open? Let me see what is command again. group name. Alright, so I have to mention group name as well. Alright, so here I want to add in DevOps group. Alright, DevOps group, I think this is good. No error comes, it means your group user is added in your group successfully. Now it's time to check as well. Tail hyphen etc group Vasu 66. Alright, but how I can check that the user is added? Let me run this command again. Let me run this -3. Now you can see that DevOps group has one user is added to your DevOps group. Alright, as I already told you in my basic Linux commands videos that when you create a user, it's a group is automatically created. Alright, so I have created 2 users in front of you right now. So as you all can see, the group is also created. But when you create a group, its user will be not created automatically. You have to create manually. Alright, so now you get the clarity. Alright, so now it's time to move ahead. Now let me show you, if you want to add multiple user in a particular group, what is the command? The command is same, just you have to write users like this. Let me see, you have to write users like group 1 group. Alright, so it is not for multiple user, it is for your, if you want to add in a particular user in multiple groups. Let me see, there is a ec2 hyphen user, there is also a group, there is also a group user 1. Right, now if you want to add like this Vasu in these groups, these all are your groups. Alright, let me go down, so these all are your group. Alright, so now it's time to run this command. User 1 does not exist. Alright, so let me remove this from here. Let me write here Vasu 66. Alright, now you all can see that your Vasu is added in your 3 groups with a single command. If you want to see, you can see ID Vasu. As you all know, this is command. Now you can see that the ID, the user ID of Vasu is this, the group ID of Vasu is this, and the user Vasu is belongs to which groups. So it is showing that it belongs to Vasu group itself, EC2, and your Vasu 66 and your DevOps as well. Alright, so now I think you are now familiar with this command. Alright, now it's time to move ahead. If you add that particular user to another group, it will remove that user from existing group. So solution for that problem is to append user. Yes, I want to show this as well. Alright, let me go up like this. Now let me show you. It won't work. Alright, let me again run that command, ID Vasu. Alright, you can see that your Vasu user is belongs to these groups, this one, this one, and this one, and this one. It means this group, this user is belongs to 4 groups. Now if you, now let me first create a new group. Alright, group add, let me write here developers. Alright, developers, let me see this is created or not. What is the command? So command is really simple. You have to write here cat, you can do cat, you have to write top level root directory etc, and then / again. Here you have to write group. Alright, now you can see that your developer group is created. Alright, so now it's time to clear screen again. It's time to run that command, group Vasu. Alright, so the moment I add this user Vasu to two developer groups, alright, you can see that it will remove this user from this group, this and from this as well. Alright, let me show you by doing what is the command to add user mod hyphen g developers. Developer, it is the developer or developers, let me see, it is developers. Alright, it is developers. Now I have to add this Vasu user. Alright, now you can see that it is added, but if I run this command again, id Vasu, now you can see that it belongs to only itself group and to developers. So it has removed from EC2 user, Devops group, and also from Vasu 66 group. So what is the solution for that? Let me read out for you all. So the solution for this problem is to use -a to append user mod. Alright, so for solution of this is to let me run command for you, to write like this -a. Now you can write multiple groups. Alright, let me write EC2 user. Alright, let me write here EC2 alright user. Now you have to give space here, not space, comma. Alright, now you have to write Devops is also another group. Now there is a group also Vasu 66. Now you can add like this, because this -a means append, so it will not remove from the existing group, it will append to it. Alright, let me show you. Let me run this command again, id Vasu. Now you can see that this group belongs to developers as well, and your three groups you can see here, it belongs to them as well. Alright, so this is the solution for that. Now let's move ahead. Alright, so let me rub this first. Let me rub this stuff. Let me use that round eraser. This is good. Alright, now I am where I am. If you want to add comment, add user credential location, this is also really very important. User credential location user mod -c. Alright, I got it. What is the command? So let me show you. As I already told you in my previous video of basic commands, that not of basic commands, of user management. Alright, so I have already showed you that the path of your user credential is your /etc/password, as you all know. Alright, now you can see that if you want to add comment, so where you can add comment, you can add comment after this highlighted area. You can see these semicolons, between them you can add a comment. Let me show you by running command, and this is your path of your user, where you have created user, and this is your shell pin bash. Alright, so now it's time to run that command and show you how to add. Let me see my last user. Let me add comment in my last user, which is Vasu 66. Alright, so how to add comment? User mod -c. Now you have to write comment in double inverted commas, or you can write in single inverted commas as well, but I prefer double inverted commas. Now you have to write anything you can write. Let me write very important user. So I have added this comment. Alright, and after this comment you have to specify the user as well. Vasu 66 I want to add in that particular user. Here I want to add here that comment. Let me run this comment. Let me run this command, not comment. Now you can see that nothing occurs. It means there is no error occurred, which means everything is going according to you. Let me show you by doing tail -1 and your tail -1. What is the path? etc password, because I want to check the last line of that file. Alright, I think this is good. Now you can see that the comment is added, very important user. Alright, you can add this as well. Also there is something special as well. Let me show you that first. There is your one thing is there known as change fingerprints. Alright, which is known as your CHFN. Let me rub from here because I am right now here. Right now I am here. You can see here change fingerprint, change fingerprint information. Alright, so you can add fingerprints or you can add comment. You can't add both of them. Let me show you. First you have to install. Let me show you. First you have to install this by running this command yum install util linux user. This one you have to run this command yum install util. Let me run this command first, because there is chfn -- help. It is not installed, as you all can see, command not found. So first you have to install this in your machine. Yum install what was that, util linux user. It is user or users. Let me see, it is user. Alright, now you have to write -y as well if you want. Alright, so let it install this. Now you can see that installation is completed. If I run this command again, chfn -help, now you can see that it is providing me the information. It is responding me. Alright, so you can see -f is used for real name, -o is used for office number, -p is used for office phone number, and -h for home phone number, -u is for display this help, -v is for display version. Alright, so you can add, instead of comment there, these instructions as well, these details as well. So let me show you how to write those details. This is the command. Alright, this one is the command. Let me make here C. Alright, this one is your command chfn. Let me write here chfn. Let me write here chfn -f to name, -o. Let me scroll up for now. Yes, -o for office number. Let me see, there is space or not. Yes, there is space. -f for name, -o for office number. Let me write first -f. -f name is, what is name? Name is this. Alright, and -o for office number. Write O. Office number is, you can write anything you want. Alright, so this is your office number, and let me write short number. Alright, let me write 2566. This is your office number, and let me give something other detail. Office number -p -h home number. Let me write home number -h home number. Home number is your 420, let's say. Alright, I think this much detail is enough for now. Alright, so let me run this command. It is running or not, let me see. Changing finger information for root. Finger information changed. As you all can see, finger information is changed. Now it's time to see by doing what? By running the command, because this is going to change in your user. So you have to run this command. Very important user. So I forgot to specify the username. This information is added to your root. Let me run this command, and let me write at the end, let me specify the username, which is Vasu66. Alright, now let's try to run this command again. Information changed. Now it's time to run this command and see. Now you can see that Sahitya is your username, and this is your phone number and office number, and this is your home number. Let me show you, but it was before displaying your this comment. Where is your comment? Very important, user. Alright, so you can do this as well. Now it's time to move ahead. Let me rub this from here. Alright, what is the next command? Let me rub here. Also let me do one thing. I think, yeah, this is good. So now it's time to show you the command. Which command should I show you now? User mod -d to change path of user. User mod -d, home username. All right, I got it. Username. So let me show you one thing. Let me create a directory mkdir -p. Let me name as home, and let me create a directory in this, name as remote user. Let me name this directory as remote user. So now if you want to change your home directory of user, as you all know that your user are created in your home directory, as you all know, you can see. Alright, if you want to change the location of any user, how can you change that? You can change by this command. Let me show you what is command. User mod -d. Alright, user mod -d, and now it's time to give the path. My path is home, remote. You have to write it whole, remote user, and now you have to specify the user. Alright, let me see the command. Yes, you have to specify the username, as you all can see here. Alright, so now it's time to run this, which let me run for Vasu only. Let me see it works or not. I think it works, because there is no error occurred. Let me see now the home directory of let me see the home directory of user. Let me first see what is there in your home, in your remote user. Alright, remote user. Alright, cannot access home remote user, no such file or directory. Alright, let me use here, we'll use here cat command for now. Cat, it is showing nothing. Why? Let me see ls cd home. Let me do home. Now let me do ls. Let me go in this as well, remote. Let me do ls. There is nothing. I don't know why this command is not running. Alright, so let me go from here. Let me go back. Leave this command for now. Alright, leave this command, and I will show you this command in my next video. I don't know why this is not running. Alright, I think everything is good. Let me see, the command is command was user mod -d. Yeah, everything is good, but unfortunately this command is not running. I don't know what is the problem. So let's move ahead after the user mod -d command. Alright, let me run from here, because now I am here, ch group, here I am. Alright, I've insert. So now it's time to run this command. New group name, path where files and directory, -cv. Alright, -cv, ch on user mode to copy all stuff of old user to new user. Alright, so let me run this command. Ch group, change group of any file or directory. Let me show you that ls-l. You can see there is only one directory, as I already created in front of you all. So now you can see its user is also root and its group is also root. If you want to change its user, what its group first, if you want to change its group, what is the command? So for that command is your what was the command? Let me see. Ch group -v. I think -v is enough. Ch group -v uh, -v, and now you have to specify the new user. Let me write here ec2 -user. I want to change this root user to ec2 user, and now let me write here the directory name. Alright, change, you can see that changed group of home from root to ec2 user. It means, let me see first by using this command. Now you can see that the group is changed. Alright, you can see that the group is changed. So now it's time to change that root as well. So what is the command for that? Let me see here. It is written or not ch own to change group or user. Yeah, you can see here, it is written ch own. Alright, so that is command ch own -v forward browse. As you all know, it shows you. So the work of verbrows -v option is to only tell you that it is now this Linux had told you that change the group of home from root to ec2 user. So this is the work of -v only. Alright, so now it's time to run the command ch own -v, and now it's time to change the what is that root this as well from root to let me change this to Vasu66 user, Vasu66 home. Alright, it works or not. Changed the ownership of home from root to Vasu66. Let me do ls-l. Now you can see that your user is now your Vasu66 and your group is your user ec2 user ec2 user. Alright, but if you want to change both of user and group with only a single command, what is that? Let me show you as well. Where is my whiteboard? There it is. So for that your command is this. I am here right now. Let me rub this. As you all can see, ch own is your command, change owner user. You have to write like this. Let me show you. Let me do first ls-l. Your command is ch own and first you have to write user. Let me write here ec2 user, and let me write here Vasu66. Alright, and now you have to specify what I think your file group and file name. Yes, file or directory name, you can specify either of them. So now it's time to run that command again, ls-l. Now you can see that before the Vasu66 is your user, but now ec2 is your user, and before ec2 was your group, and now Vasu66 is your group. I think you all are getting what I'm trying to convey, and you all are understanding. Alright, if you don't understand in one go, watch the video again, you will be understand soon. Alright, so now it's time to run this command user mod -md, copy all stuff of old user to a new user, user mod -md path of user. I am confused about this as well. Alright, because I've never tried this command. So let me run this command, last one command. Let me make this arrow again with the yellow one. I think the yellow one is good. Let me do like this. Right, yeah. So now it's time to run this command user mod -md. Alright, user mod -md. What is there? First is your path of user and user. Path of user is my home. I think let me try this path, remote user. Alright, remote user, and my user is Vasu. Let me write here root. Alright, root. User mod user root is currently used by process 1. Alright, so let me do one thing, let me exit from here. Alright, let me change user as Vasu. Password, I don't know the password, so let me do one thing, let me log in as root user again, sudo -i, and let me change user from here, Vasu 66. Alright, so now as you all can see I am logged in as Vasu 66. Let me create a directory mkdir 66. Let me create a mkdir 66. Let me create some files. Alright, touch 66 25 16. Alright, so now I've created some empty files as you all can see. So now it's time to exit, and let me log in as a root user as you all can see. So now it's time to run that command, which was your, what command is usermod -md, usermod -md. Now you have to give the path home, remote user, and let me write here Vasu 66. Alright, so let me do ls, and let me see what is there in this path home, remote user. Alright, remote user. Now you can see that this this directory contains that file as well, which I've created in your Vasu 66 user. Alright, I hope this video finds you beneficial, and now it's time to, I think, end this video, and I will be meet you in my next video.